Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see about quotation tags in HTML5.
Let's watch this amazing video. In before tutorial we seen about id and also we seen what is the difference between class and id also. So I think it's like a very clear explanation, guys, about class and id. So if you missed the tutorials, the link was available in description. Just go and learn about class and how to use id attribute and class attribute. Now in this tutorial I want to discuss about quotation tags. Just I'll close this all files which was used in before. I'll create a new file which is called quotation.html. So what is meant by quotations? They are having some tags which is very important. So if you want to, if you're having some text you want to be quoted, so we are having tags to use. So generally I'll copy this syntax of html and I'll use here. Yeah, so here you can see I'm writing the paragraph tag which is like I'm very good girls, I want to be quoted this one. So is it possible or not? Is it possible to quote this one? So I want only to code this good girl. I don't want to code other things. So we are having a tag which is called q. Q stands for quotation tags. That means to quote anything. So we are having which is called quote. So just control S and just reload this one which is like quotations.html. Oh sorry, quotations. Yeah, and you can see the, I'll increase the size. You can see the tag. By using the tag we'll get like a quotations. You may think, Haripriya, can we write like this also? Why you are writing that? So directly we can write like what you can say, directly we can write like this also instead of that. So instead of q tag we can write like that also, but it's my duty to explain. We are having the tag, you can see nothing more difference. You can write directly in text, but the q tag is also available in html, so that's why I'm explaining. Not only q tag, I want to explain another tag which is called block quote. So if you want, you have a some text. So generally I'll copy some text from my website because I want to copy this text. So I want to just be in p tag and I'll paste, give another one. Yeah, so here I'm ending the p tag. Okay, so you can see I written some text in here. So if you want, the text should be in the quoted, like block quoted. So like it's like in same size. So you are having like different things, it should be in like a same size. We are having a tag which is called block code. So in before we can write like block code. Yeah, just and end with where you want, and just control S and just reload here and you can see the difference. You are getting like the space, you are getting like space. If I use like normally, you can see the difference. If I use normally and see the difference between the block code without block code. So this is the way. If you actually, I used it here the block code, I think so, I don't know, I didn't remember. So this is the way to use the block code. So by using block code you can see the difference between that. So and we are having another tag which is called abbreviation. So if you want the particular abbreviation, want to abbreviate html, so just I'll write in paragraph tag, so which is called html. So here I want to abbreviate that one. So like if I place the mouse in html, so I want to get like a abbreviation. So is it possible or not? Yes, of course, is it possible by using abbreviator, ABBR tag. So by using ABRR, so we need to give the title. So in that title we want to give like a hypertext markup language. This is which was we given, and here just close and give HTML. So that means if you keep the mouse in here, of course, and HTML is a language, just give like that. And just control C and see the output and observe the output how it would be. and just reload it, guys. And you can see, because we use like HTML, right? And I don't know you are able to see or not, I'm increasing the size. You are getting like a dotted lines because you used ABBR tag, that means abbreviation tag. So just keep the mouse and you can see that hypertext markup language abbreviation. So generally in so many websites I see in that time I thought which tag they used. So yeah, this is the best tag to use, like abbreviation. So this is all about abbreviation tag. And next tag which was we are having, which is called address tag. So address tag means if you want to like give the address in footer. So guys, generally you can see here, so in my website I given some address, right? So you can give in directly like address tag. So just copy this one and you can give in address tag. We are having a tag which is called address. So just give in address tag. So just give address. Yeah, just close and copy that address. And if you just control S and reload it, and you can see it is in like bolded, not bolded, italic, and something different. So if you want to be next lines, you need to give like break. That's it. You need to give like break for it should be next line. So I think you seen the difference between what you can say by using address tag. Yeah, it's like address something different, bold and italic. So if I use italic, we can see how the difference between italic and that one. So just see the difference between italic and yeah. So both are same, of course, both are same. So we can use italic. Otherwise, we are having a tag which is also called as address tag. So and another tag which was we are having like a site, the title of some book, like it's like if you're using the poem, if you're using a song, if you're using like a movie name or anything. So if you want to be in different text normally, so generally I'll use like this is Haripriya. I'll create a paragraph tag by using like this is Haripriya. So in these text I want Haripriya should be in different format. Normally it's like just observe carefully, so with the usage of site tag. So how it one it's you can observe carefully. So it's like the output will be, it's like a italic, not that much different. Just you can see the output, you can see it's like a italic. So norm compared to, you can use directly I tag instead of that. But the side tag also is there, same like side tag and italic, emphasize, the both three tags are similar, not that much difference is there. But it's my duty to say the tags, what the tags are available. And the next tag which is called BDO. BDO stands for biodirectional override. So I'll write the tag which is called BDO. You can just carefully observe. So biodirectional tag stands for, so you're writing something like which is some text which is like what you want. You can write I'm a girl. So I'm writing I'm a girl text. So by using BDO, so the text should be in a reverse format. Attribute DIR. That means the direction you need to specify. So which direction? That is called right to left. RTL stands for right to left. So if you're not specified, it is like normal text. Just you can see that it's like a right to left. You can observe the girl was I'm a girl. It's like a right to left. If you want left to right, it's like a normal LTR. Just Control S and reload it, and you can see it's like a normal I am a girl. So this is the tag, the name which is called biodirectional override. So I think you understand. So if you want right to left, you can give like a RTL. So right to left. So this is the difference between the biodirectional. I want to write again, then you can understand very clearly about that thing. So just Control S and reload. So RTL. So just reload and you can see that it should be in different. So these are all tags which is like quotation tags. It's like a small recap I want to explain. So if you want to keep the quotations, you can keep by using by Q tag. Otherwise you can directly give, of course, but the tag was available, which is the q. And if you want the code, like a black code, if you give the black code, it's that you can see the difference between the black code and normal paragraph tag. You can see the difference between. And next tag, which is called abbreviation tag. Suppose you give an html, you need abbreviation for that. You can see that if you keep the mouse, that it's automatically shows the abbreviation, which is called hypertext markup language. And another tag which is having, which is called address. So address means it's give like a, you can see it's like a different, like italic, nothing but italic. And next one, side tag, which is also nothing but if the text we should be like different format, it is the side tag will be useful. And next tag, which is called bdvo stands for bidirectional override. So bidirectional override means you can override the text which direction you want. You can observe the carefully, it's like a normal text. If you convert right to left, it was automatically changed. So these are all called quotation tags. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You learned many tags up to now. It's like a, of course, long journey. I hope it's like a 24th tutorial. So I'll come with another tutorial which is called important tags and other useful tags and all any mixing tags I want to discuss, what up to now not discussed in any tutorial. So they are like mark you tag was there, like there are many tags were available which was I not discussed. So if you want to use in your html code and in your like website, so I want to discuss with that important tags in upcoming tutorial. So until then, wait for next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with the new videos and new tutorials for you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and give a like and share and also